Hey everybody, it's your girl Khalees and we're back with another video. In this video, we'll be having a get ready with me for a girls' night out. First, I will start off by putting on a moisturizer, and after that, I'm gonna follow that up with my e.l.f. primer.
Would you date me on the regular? Tell me would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So then I take my Anastasia brow pencil and just fill in my brows. I will have an updated brow tutorial coming up really soon, so stay tuned for that.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
So then I take the lightest, no, actually I take my skin color. So my skin color is Fun in the LA Pro Concealer. So I take that and put that under my brow. Well, it looks like I'm color correcting, but after I color correct, I take this and put it under my brows, and then I take medium beige, which is the lightest concealer, and I put that over my brows. So, but y'all see in the video.
Around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, wanna make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
So then I take my foundation brush and my Fenty Beauty foundation. I will give y'all a more in-depth tutorial on what I do as far as makeup. But yeah, this is just y'all watching me.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
The contour palette I'm using was from my job, so check out the local beauty supply
It's not
store.
that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the contour process. Now, don't cringe at the brushes I will use because I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know anything about makeup. So I may be using the wrong brushes for some stuff, but yeah. Plus, I wasn't feeling it today, so yeah.
Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish you away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
So then I take the lightest concealer in that medium beige and I put it under my eyes. I put it in all the places you will see me put it in. This will add like a highlight to my face and yeah. Absolutely. My face powder didn't get in my makeup kit. So I just let my concealer sit and then now I'm gonna do some reverse contouring. I think that's what it's called. With the same concealer and it'll just add some more highlight to my face.
But you get a bit better.
So I will put this translucent powder everywhere that I put the concealer at, so we can, you know, defeat all the smile lines and just set the concealer in your face.
But you can't be
So after letting that translucent powder sit for like a couple of minutes, I will take a huge brush and just fluff it out. So then I take a big fluffy brush and I go in with a blush that I also got from the local beauty supply store. I think it's by the new NK brand, and the color is called Grapefruit. So when I'm done with all that, I will go in with a highlighter. I will put it under my brows and on my cheeks so I can get that good highlight. And I also got this highlighter from the beauty supply store. Since I'm not like in the makeup industry yet, I will just use stuff from the beauty supply store. So yeah. As y'all can see, I put a little bit too much highlight right there, so I was trying to fix it, but yeah. And this is my setting spray by Morphe, and I got that from Ulta Beauty.
More, you like your mom, Natasha look like your dad, your brother look like this. Like, who told you to take my coat?
My bad. I didn't mean
It's
to.
okay, Pop. I'm not mad.
It's okay.
I'm not mad at you. I'm never mad at you.
My makeup looks slow though.
You ain't got nothing on. You ain't got no lashes. You ain't got no lips.
Oh, I forgot
Yeah,
all
you
about.
can't really judge nothing.
I forgot all about my lashes, bro.
Yeah, you look fine.
Kelly, you got some lash glue. I'm sorry.
Here you go, Khaleesi always coming up. Bro, you gonna have to get it yourself.
Where is it?
I just started.
Is it in here?
Now, what if your mom was a yellow like you? That would be
Yeah,
yeah. Oh.
You can't do this.
I'm in a video.
So I start crimping my hair, and by the end of the video, that's when I will do my lip combo. But I will make a separate video of different lip combos. So just be in tune for that.
But you giving me but you giving me anything that you want. I know it's gonna
Okay, so for my lip combo, I just get the brown lip liner that usually is $1 at the very front of the counter of the beauty supply store. So then I take the NYX matte gloss and I apply that in like the middle of my lips. And like I said, I will do a detailed lip combo, so stay tuned for that. So then I take the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline and I put it all over my lips just to add a little color and some gloss to it. So then after that, I just top it off with some regular clear lip gloss, and that's the end of my lip combo. So that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.